Drones have evolved rapidly, bringing incredible tech to the skies, and today we are looking at the AE86ProMax. This drone promises a lot, from a 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal to advanced obstacle avoidance. Let's dive deep into what makes this drone stand out. Check the link in the description for the best price. First up, let's break down the core performance parts of the AE86ProMax, focusing on its imaging capabilities, flight safety, and how long it stays in the air. This drone truly aims to deliver a premium flight experience, combining advanced imaging with critical safety measures. It also addresses one of the biggest challenges for drones: keeping them airborne for extended periods. The camera system impresses with true 4K UHD resolution, a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, electronic image stabilization, and even night shooting capabilities. Safety features are a major highlight, including comprehensive 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance and multiple intelligent GPS return modes for peace of mind. You get an impressive cumulative flight time of over 2 hours, thanks to 3 high-capacity 8,000 mAh batteries and a convenient hot swap design. Overall, the AE86ProMax shows impressive potential in its core aerial performance, boasting a high-quality camera, robust safety, and extended flight times. Moving beyond raw performance, we examine the user experience, the overall value proposition, and what ownership entails for the AE86ProMax drone. How you interact with the drone is crucial, and the AE86ProMax has some unique approaches there. We also need to consider if its features justify the cost, and what kind of support you can expect long-term. The remote controller is a standout with its 7.2-inch HD touchscreen, built-in 32GB storage, and support for installing social applications. While packed with features, the $779.99 price point is substantial, especially from a less established brand in the competitive drone market. Ownership risk appears well managed with FAA certification, a 1-year warranty, access to spare parts, and ongoing system updates to enrich functionality. A unique feature is the 500-gram payload airdrop function, which significantly expands the drone's practical utility for various creative and fun tasks. The AE86ProMax offers a high-tech control experience and solid ownership support, but its high price requires careful consideration for buyers. The AE86ProMax drone offers an impressive array of features, from its true 4K gimbal camera and extensive safety systems to the high-tech remote control and remarkable battery endurance. While the overall package is strong, its premium price point positions it as a significant investment. This drone appears well-suited for serious hobbyists or content creators who prioritize advanced capabilities and extended flight sessions, and are comfortable with the cost.